3, go!
2.
Just do yours then.
Do yours.
That one's ready to go.
Yeah, you'll lose. Yeah, I'm ready.
2, 3,
Go!
Yep.
Go. Yeah.
Tree! Tree!
Ka! Well in, little Jim.
Round of applause for Jim.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, whoa.
Oh,
Is
oh.
he gonna crack?
Not so. Someone's roof.
Oh no, I think it'll go up.
Slowly.
No, it won't. It'll put it out when it gets towards Banky School.
They look so pretty.
Oh, my hair's getting wet.
If you can get it going.
Come on, boys.
Come on, Matthew.
Oh, it's going. It's properly going now.
Come on, yeah.
Grab it again if it falls. You just ease off. Yeah, you're holding it just from the bottom now, so it'll go. Yeah, I remember that. Wait, have a go.
No.
Oh no, wait 6 seconds.
Blow on it.
Get some air in it.
Ready? Go for it. Ready? Yeah.
We're going. That's it.
Oh no! No offence. No offence.
Go on, get over the top.
Oh, fuck me, I'm cold.
That one's gone all the way over there, look.
Just can't see it.
See, I told you I wanted to stay up.
You tell him.
What size shoe are you wearing?
6.
Come on, get over there. Get a bit more heat on. Like,
It's just really good, isn't it?
I hate it.
What?
Get some air in it.
Oh, I can't.
Fucking car!
Oh, lot of hot air.
Over the fence though, didn't we?
It is next to a car.
Jump over.
Scale the fence.
Still going that one.
Oh, isn't it? That's done really well.
Has it gone far?
Yeah.
Still up?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Still up.
Oh, it's all the way over there, look.
What?
You see?
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's nearly in England.
That one will go eventually.
I don't know if it will.
Keep it high.
It's very heavy now because of the water as well.
That was it.
Yeah.
Blowing it.
Just took it over time.
Farting it.
Yeah. Matty. Matty. Get a fart brewing. What? Get a fart brewing.
Get some air in it.
Oh, way up. Is that
It's
foot?
gonna be a fire.
Let's chuck it.